everybody? Welcome to another trade recap. Today's recap is for Monday, January 6th, 2025. Our third trade of the year, and we're smashing it. Um, Despite today being kind of a choppy day, according to some that I've seen on socials saying that it was kind of choppy for them, I think today was a pretty solid trading day. Um, and I'll go over why. So coming right off the bat into 4 hour, right, there wasn't really much confluences. I believed because we were so up right over here, I didn't really think there was any lows to be swept down here because of how high we were, right? So um we were like, yeah, we were around here. I didn't think price was gonna come anywhere near here whatsoever, right? um So the nearest draw on liquidity that I seen was this 4 hour right here, right? That was pretty much it. And then this imbalance that was here at the time of then a 6 a.m. candle, right, was being formed. There was a fair rally gap, so I kind of marked it out just because that was the only thing I seen on the 4 hour, right? So again, the candle hadn't closed yet, so I was kind of skeptical, but I did mark it out because it didn't push down any further. It kind of left it there and it kept going up. So then I scaled down to the 1 hour. What did I see? The only confluence I could see was this 1 hour low, right? And yeah, that was pretty much it. And then this 1 hour all the way down here, but the 4 hour was already covering that. So because again, we were like 9 o'clock right here, right? When I hopped on the markets, and like so you can see like this fair value gap on the 1 hour had already been mitigated, so I don't care about it no more. And then these 4 hour highs had already been kind of swept, right? So at that point I was just like, all right, don't really put in mind into that, right? Because then I scaled to the 5 minute and I was looking at it. And even though this was already swept pre-market, right? Because pre-market, and it had already made its move, so it was just chopping in there. So I wasn't really, interested at this point. I kind of disregarded this. And then, in all reality, I didn't think I was gonna even get to take a trade today. But I seen 9:15, this huge drop, right, sweeping all this low resistance liquidity. It's tapping right into the 4 hour fair value gap, right? And we got that formation 9:20. I was like, all right, whoa, maybe it's gonna be a pre-market trade or whatever, right? But I was just watching price and it was pretty choppy, super choppy. Nothing looked like an entry until right here. I seen this fair value gap being formed. Tap into it right here with this candle. Bounce out. Again, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a red candle formation since we're bullish for the day. And at the time, this candle had already gone all the way up and then kind of was like floating right here. So I entered because of how strong the bullish candle was and how price was looking, order flow was looking. So I entered again, but I could have waited for this candle to close, which is why I have two of them, right? This one right here is my actual trade. This is where I entered. I entered right here. My order filled. Stops as always at the end of the body candle of the fair value gap, and I literally just aimed for a 2-to-1. That's it. Because why? Why wasn't I going for anything? Why wasn't I marking anything? So much the 5 minute, there was like no liquidity, and I wasn't gonna look all the way to the left side to see what type of liquidity there was. I mean, yeah, there was I guess you can say the 4 hour, right? This, oh, hold on, sorry, right? That I guess could have been aimed for. Oh, was this already down here? Well, yeah, there was pretty much nothing to aim for. It was super far out. I wasn't even looking for that, and because it was a kind of like a pre-market setup, pre-market open setup. I was kind of just like I'm trying to get in and out of the market. I'm trying to be in and out, aiming for a 2-to-1. I was good with my 1-to-1. It hit my 1-to-1 super fast. Because look how much volatility was at market open. It hit my 1-to-1 super quick. At that point, I brought my stops to break even. And then I was like, all right, so if it comes right back down, stops down, I'm happy with whatever I already got. I already made my money for the day. But it kept going, hit my 2-to-1, and it kept going more. Could have potentially went for I guess 4-to-1. I let it just run, but I wasn't greedy. I don't want to be greedy. I want to get, in and out, take what the market gives me, and not leave it up to chance, right? So I'm happy with that. Yeah. Why did I take this trade? I don't usually take trades pre-market. Everybody knows this. But because it made its move and we hadn't made a move up. So as you can see, like this one had already mitigated that 4-hour high, right, that we were looking at. We keep getting a bunch of moves, right? It wasn't just like it tapped in and we're waiting for that move to happen. This one, it tapped into this 4-hour one. And we're just waiting for that up move to happen, that rejection out of it, which we got right here at 9:20. This candle closed at 9:25. Okay, so I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, wait, whoa, the move is yet to happen, right? So you see, like taps into it, move is already made. So at this point, it's just playing in this range. So once it made at 9:25, which was right here, like I'm already looking for a trade somewhere where I can enter from fair value gap, right? I'm also waiting for cross of the EMAs, which you got right here, which was perfect. Cross of the EMAs, not overbought or oversold, not overbought condition. Sorry, fair value gap, tap into it. Things that could have possibly done better was just wait for that break of structure, right? Which is what this box is here for, to demonstrate if I would have waited for that break of structure right above the previous bearish candle, I still would have hit my take profit, right? Stops at the end of the fair value gap candle, right? And the 2-to-1 the same, and I would have still hit my profit for the day, right? So I think that's the only thing I could have done better. But because of how order flow was looking, because of how aggressive and volatile the bearish order flow was looking like, I wasn't afraid to fill in my order right around here and just let it play out on its own, right? So yeah, I think that was pretty much it on the trade, right? Like I said, honestly, like I woke up I hopped on the charts at 9. I didn't see anything that I liked. No good setup. I didn't really think there was gonna be a move to be made. 9:25 came, 9:20 came, and we had that huge downwards candle that literally set the tone for us, right? So set us up for a perfect long position. So yeah, third trade of the year, it's going solid. Um, and hopefully, we have a great successful year this year. Super locked in with trading this year. I don't want to jinx anything, but I really do hope. And I have high hopes that this year will be a great year in trading for me. And I hope for anybody else who's out there looking to become profitable, right? I hope my videos help in some sense. Again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment asking. I'll answer any questions. I'm here to help. I was once in your guys' positions, and I wish somebody was there to help me. Trust me, without having to pay for any membership, any course. Like, this is literally like one of the best trade skills you could ever in the world. It's a money glitch in a sense, I feel. But yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. We'll be looking to trade tomorrow because nothing crazy besides jolts. And Wednesday I'm not trading. Thursday no news. Friday we'll be looking to trade as well. But Wednesday FOMC, so I'm not trading. I don't trade FOMCs days. However, trade uploads. If I do take a trade, I probably won't upload a trade recap till probably next Tuesday because I will be out of town. But I will be posting the trade that I catch on my socials if you guys want to follow it. It's, on IG at Cordero, CORD3R0. And yeah, if you guys want to stay updated, but if not, you can always wait for trade recap. Yeah. That being said, guys, have a fantastic rest of your week. Catch you on the next trade recap. Peace.